Do you crave that incredible restaurant quality fried noodle dish? Beef Chow Fun, but don't want to spend hours slaving away in the kitchen? Well, you are definitely in the right place. Today, we're not just making beef chow fun that's super easy and quick, but also absolutely bursting with authentic flavor. So get ready to discover your new favorite weeknight meal, and let's dive in. First, let's make our sauce for the beef. Grab a mixing bowl and add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Next up, pour in 1 teaspoon of Chinese cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to tenderize the beef. To help the beef caramelize, add in 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of avocado oil. Stir to combine, then set the mixture aside. Now, let's get the beef ready. We got 150 grams of flank steak here, and we'll slice it into bite-sized pieces, about 1/8 inch thick. Time to add the sliced beef to the bowl. Mix everything thoroughly, then pop it in the fridge to marinate for an hour. Once your beef has marinated, heat 2 tablespoons of avocado oil in a wok over medium-high heat. Then flash fry the beef for just 1 minute. When they are brown, remove and set aside. Now, let's chop about 3 stalks of green onion. Be sure to separate the whites from the greens. In the same wok, with a bit of oil, saute the white parts of the green onion. Next, slice about 3 pieces of ginger and add them to the wok as well. Chop about a half a cup of shallots. They're going to add amazing flavor to the noodles. Toss them into the wok and stir fry for about a minute or until they're fragrant. Add 500 grams of rice noodles. These have already been prepped and soaked in water following the package instructions. Give those noodles a quick stir and then we'll get our sauce ready. Add 1 tablespoon each of dark soy sauce and light soy sauce. For that fragrant touch, drizzle in half teaspoon of toasted sesame seed oil. Adjust the seasoning with salt and white pepper as needed. For a little crunch, go ahead and add about 80 grams of bean sprouts. Bring the beef back into the wok and cook for a couple more minutes. Finally, turn off the heat and sprinkle in the rest of the green onion greens. All that's left is to dig in. Serve it up in a bowl and savor every bite of that savory, beefy, slightly chewy, and snappy rice noodle goodness. We really hope you enjoyed making this with us today. If so, a like would be awesome. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes. Catch you next time.